it's a horror film house.
There we go, Lonzo Ball, Pelican, future March Madness. You never know.
Essa cidade assombrada.
Haunted house, huh? Favorite film?
Parece uma casa de mal assombrado. Olha isso. Jesus.
Look at these old houses. Old lady. Look at this house.
Oh, the big church. It's a big church. Oh, the pink house.
Wow, look at the thing. It's old.
I know. So big. Hoje estamos na praia e vamos fazer uma fogueira para achar marshmallows. Essa é a minha primeira vez fazendo isso. Daqui a pouco nós vamos acender tudo. Oh, that's nice.
You're gonna put these. We don't need it.
Put it in the bag. Agora ele tá montando a fogueira pra gente achar marshmallow. Aí ele coloca ali a... ele coloca ali as pedacinhos de pau, madeira. Tá frio hoje. Achamos que ia estar sol, mas não tá. Tá frio. Aí ali tá as coisas pra assar. Então eu vou tentar ligar ali. burning.
Oi, gente. Bem.
Got it? Oh, it's getting warm. Ooh. So when this little get a fire, you put the big one? O fogo tá alto agora, aí ele vai colocar as madeiras grandes pra fazer uma fogueira maior.
The big one.
It's really work. Mas tá vindo todo de mim.
You have them way too far down. They gotta be up, man. Look at you making all the stickiness all the way on your thing. Okay, this is a new marshmallow woman. Oh, I got marshmallow on my fingers. Alright,
Okay, it's good.
it's good. Okay, not too close. Be careful, and you gotta spin them. Alright? And you gotta be just right. And you wanna buy the coals, kinda. Not too close though, babe. They might catch on fire. Alright. And you can pull it close to your face to see how it's cooking. It's still white. Still white. I don't think so. Say hi. Alright, you gotta get closer. No, because you're only getting the top. I don't see it catching. Because the wind's blowing that way. Oh, look at that. Put it under there, in there. No, that's a good fire though. Oh, look at the top, it's getting brown. Yeah, it's gonna be brown on the sides now, so put it like over the top. There you go. Now spin it. You gotta flip it, babe. Flippy babe. Turn it. There you go. Flip master. Ti amo. Not yet. A little bit more. Almost there. Oh, look. Okay, keep. Yeah. Now you gotta try to get the whole thing a little bit brown like that. Okay, that's good. That one's getting good. Okay, here, grab this. Try me that. Okay, grab this one. Grab that one right there. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on here and you grab it off with both of those. No, this one. Yeah. And then, now eat. It's sticky. Good?
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit.
Was too hot. Just hot when you minute.
Não. Yummy, yummy. Good. Muito bom.
Então.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Se ti amo,
Forever free.
mi amores. Ti amo. Muito linda.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Oh, you catch some. Oh, he's up, he's up. Tiki tiki noti. A tiki tiki noti.
I'm so late that I can't get it.
A tiki tiki noti. Yeah.
Change. Another one. It's a video. What are you doing?
You want some s'mores?
I put it close to your face. You're like, there's more. I will make mine. It's getting dark now.
Use the watermelon. Sticky butt.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth